Very first, oh, people are very less comparative to first session to second session. Earlier it was 8, now it is 4. Okay, however, we will come. I will continue on no issue. Everyone find my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. You see this line? There is a pressure below the blue line. Blue line, you can see in the blue line, there is a pressure. But the yellow line is, there is no. This is dry pipe, no? The yellow line is air pressure. Because no, because some extreme temperatures somewhere, no, there only it will be used. Usually we are using wet pipes. There is a pressure in this blue section. The below you can see. If any emergency occurred on that area, detectors automatically will find out the smoke or heat, whatever. Then automatically system will operate. System pressure will go from the blue line. It will go to the yellow line and will close the fire. In you can see in the wet pipe, this is complete blue line. Continuously there is a system is in active, no, complete line. In the dry system, dry pipeline, up to some line only that will be pressure is ready to use, but that line is empty with air pressure. But this is also within the seconds it will be act. There is a pressure, high pressure valves. These are using the automatic. Everything I will show you the next. Okay, I hope you are understood. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया है अर्थम అవుతుందా మీకు
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
Okay, I'm going to next. A dry pipeline, I'm already explained regarding Delgu sprinklers. This is used in huge machinery where it is, no? If suddenly anything happen, no, that will act very costly material, no? There is in plants and everything. You can see this photo. Huge. These sprinklers will work in. Actually, this is costly equipment where the this costly equipment is there. No, at that area, this type of sprinklers will be used. How like it is a heavy rain, like heavy rain. You see, the systems are used where large quantity of water are needed quickly to control a fast developing fire. You see that earlier photo before that slide, very fast, it will quick action, quickly control the fast developing. LV valves can be electrically, pneumatically or hydraulically operated. This system will have a fire suppression system consisting of pipes and open sprinklers, a fire detection system in use. What is the fire detection system? I will tell you in the next class. We will continue today. Is used to act to the water or foam. Foam or water, according to our requirement. Okay. See the pre-action sprinklers. This one. In this, you see this picture. This is different. In the top, there is a detectors. Okay. Are you soon? In the top, there is round four goals are there now round. It's like balls. That are the detectors. Can you find that detectors?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that four are detectors. On that below one line is there now. Three are there. Heads. That is the sprinklers. You see that
That's
once
right.
the detector will detect the heat or smoke or whatever, then the line will from here now there is a control valve. Automatically, this line will go and automatically open the sprinklers. The sprinkler head is in the top, where you can find that head. According to our requirements, we have three type of heads. The sprinklers. I think everyone saw that one no, before slides. Sprinklers top head and bottom head, and where we can provide the wall. Three types you saw, no? Three types of heads.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will show you again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Close switches, sir.
My concern is you should understand that is my concern. Okay. This line will automatically act. This is this valve release automatically will release. The top detector is there, and there is a 4 detectors. After this, I will show you the types of detectors and everything. The detector line will tell here, no? Automatic system is there here. The valve will automatically open, then this line will be active. Through the sprinklers, sprinklers will move like this. These 3 sprinklers are there, no? These 3 will move with forcefully and will stop the fire immediately. You understood now? Can you go next? Shall we go for next?
Yes, sir, master.
Is any doubt? I will show you how the detector will work and everything. How the detector will be, the types of detector. Next will come. The system, how it is working. Pre-action plaintext. This will automatic, fully automatic. This one. The system is in active automatically. Okay, shall we go for next? Otherwise, I will tell some more. This you can find the system. No? These are that 4 are detectors connecting with the signal will go here. The line valve will be released automatically. Okay, running out of time. No. Then the sprinklers will be active. The top head sprinklers. Okay, you understood now? Then I will go for the next slide. Okay, otherwise I will tell again. I need response from you. Hello? Okay. Pre-action sprinkler system. A pre-action sprinkler system is similar to a deluge sprinkler system, except the sprinklers are closed. This type of system is typically used in area containing high value equipment, or because of high value equipment, this is if something happened, that will be active pre-action. Automatically, that will everything will be automatic. It will open. Detector will detect the heat or smoke and whatever, and automatically system will be act. And remaining valve will open automatically. Then that will go to the sprinklers. Sprinklers also will open if pressure comes. Automatically, fire will be closed. The pre-action valve is normally closed and is operated by separate detection system. There is a separate detection system. I will show you detectors and everything after this. Okay. See alarm. You find my screen, water flow alarms. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Water
Yes,
flow
sir.
alarm. Otherwise, no, yesterday
sir.
some people, sometimes it's not sharing my screen properly. That's why I'm asking frequently. Okay. Water flow alarm. These type of alarms, I hopefully you've seen this alarm, sprinkler water alarm, hydraulic or electric. One of water moving in the system. If see if the system is inactive, if water flows means something wrong. Suddenly system is active, water will flow automatically. Warn of the water when water flows, no, then alarm will start. Electric alarm sound and fire alarm system. Electrical system also is there. Hydraulic alarm system. Which system we are connecting to? That will, if that active, then accordingly this alarm will active. Okay. Shall we go for next? Shall we go? Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The foam water fire sprinkler system, especially application system, discharge a mixture of water, low expansion foam concentric, use of special hazards occupancies associated with high challenging fire and flammable liquids. See how it is. I will show you this in the big screen. See this? Huge discharge. If huge discharge is coming, no, in these three photos you can see the how it is acting during emergency, how it is. Okay, we will go for next. You got my screen? Another fire detection and fire alarm systems, causes of fire.
No, sir.
No, I will. Okay, that's why I'm asking again and again. Okay. See now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The fire detection and fire alarm systems, how will work? As I said, no, before PPT, I am just added this one in this causes of fire. Actually, the reasons of fire, causes of fire means deliberate, intentionally कोई करना चाहता है, intentionally if the person want to do deliberately fire, or electrical faults. Due to electrical fault, fire may occur, and misuse of electrical equipment. Electric equipment, if you misusing, fire may occur. Smokers material, cigarettes like smokers material, anything. Smoking in prohibited areas, loss of control, burning rubbish, heating equipment, unsafe storage of materials, flammable liquids or gases, welding or hard work, mechanical heat friction. These are the reasons for the fire. I just added in this. Actually, there is another chapter. This is regarding all those things. Actually, okay, next I am going. Smoke detector. You see this smoke detector?
Yes, sir.
That will, in the previous class, we see in the detectors, 4 are there on the top. Like this smoke detector, this one. According to our requirement, we will provide this one. This will catch the fire, catch the smoke. Automatically, it gives signal to the building. BMS, building maintenance system box, is a red color box somewhere. The experienced people already seen, I think. The new people maybe don't know. I will show you that one. After getting any smoke, it alarm will come, and remaining sprinkling system will be active. Okay, you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I'm going next. Okay. This is the flame detector. Flames. If something flames occurring in the plant, the flame will be, this detector will help us. Okay. Flammable gas detectors in the gas plants and everything, with dangerous gases, toxic gases. If leak, no, then this type of flammable gas detector that will tell alarm. There is an alarm system also connected with that. If any gas is found these no detectors, this will give a signal to us. Practically, someone seen this somewhere? The where the flammable gas detectors, no, gas detector in the gas plants. Usually, these are fixed in the gas plants. Okay, is the heat detector. Depending on the temperature, we can adjust that one. Depending on the heat detectors. Heat detector, this one. We can adjust the temperature. Heat detector. More than this heat, it will come. System will be active. First, detector will catch this one, and it will come to alarm. Then system will automatically active. Fire will be. Sometimes these are sometimes some disadvantage also is there. I will tell you. Due to this detector, some these will active due to some dust, like that. I will tell you now.